A home can feel exciting the moment your offer is accepted, and then suddenly become stressful when inspections, repairs, timelines, or unexpected problems start appearing afterward. If you're a woman buying a home after divorce in Omaha, this stage needs to be understood before it happens. In this video, you'll learn what can happen after your offer gets accepted, what issues commonly appear during this stage, and how to approach them wisely instead of emotionally. Many buyers assume once my offer gets accepted, the stressful part, the difficult part is over. Actually, this is where most of the important decisions actually begin. Because after acceptance, inspections happen, timelines tighten, negotiations may continue, and emotions increase. And new information can surface quickly. This is why preparation matters here, not panic. Number one, inspections may reveal things you did not expect. This is one of the biggest emotional turning points in this process. A home may look beautiful, appear peaceful, and be move-in ready, and still have roof concerns, plumbing problems, electrical issues, foundational movement, moisture concerns, deferred maintenance. All of that does not automatically mean walk away, but it does mean slow down and evaluate carefully. Number two, repairs can create emotional pressure. Once problems appear, buyers begin to think, I've already come this far. I don't want to lose this house. What if nothing else comes up? That pressure can push anyone into decisions they later regret. That pressure can push you into a position that you'll later regret. Instead, ask, what repairs are manageable? What repairs are expensive? Which concerns affect safety or long-term stability? Not every issue is a deal breaker, but some should cause you to pause and further evaluate. Number three, the appraisal can affect the deal. Yes, this can be very surprising to many buyers. Even if you are comfortable with the price, the appraisal must still support the value. If the appraisal comes in lower, renegotiation may happen, additional cash may be needed, or the deal may need to be reconsidered. Darling, this is why emotional offers can become risky. Never forget, numbers still matter. Number four, timelines become more serious after acceptance. Once under contract, deadlines matter, paperwork matters, communication matters. Missing timelines can create stress, confusion, and contract problems. This stage requires organization, responsiveness, and calm decision making. It is true, especially after divorce. This part of emotional exhaustion can feel even more heavier than ever expected, and this is normal. Number five, sometimes walking away is the wise decision. Not every accepted offer should move to closing. Sometimes new information reveals too much financial risk. Pay attention. Major repair concerns, instability, and even unexpected cost. Please remember, walking away does not mean automatic failure. A lot of times, this means wisdom, standing strong, is protecting your future. Number 6, peace. Yes, peace matters more than winning the house. Darling, I realize that emotion as a divorced woman, not wanting to start over again. We quickly have that fear. I don't want to start over again. I don't want to lose this opportunity. I don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss this chance. I get it. I've been there. I've done that. But I want to encourage you. It's not over. We have to listen to wisdom. Remember, a house should never be pursued from fear. A wise purchase should still feel informed, grounded, and manageable, not frantic. If you're a woman rebuilding life after divorce here in Omaha, this content is here to help you move through the home buying process with greater clarity and steadiness. If we have not yet met, I'm Lynetta Anderson, and I am your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate, focused on helping women navigate through the home buying decision process with clarity and informed guidance. Please understand that unexpected issues do not mean that something automatically is wrong. A lot of times, it is information helping you to make a wiser decision. I am of a firm background that being steady with scripture being my foundation of moving forward, I want to share James 1:5 with you. And it says, if any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously. This to me is such encouragement that it's not over, that I can always continuously seek his face to find out what I should do next. I know for me, that mattered in the process. For you, I'm encouraging you that it does matter in this process. He loves you so much that he is willing to help you when you ask. So be encouraged. It is true, Proverbs will speak abundantly. Wisdom acts as protection in times of uncertainty. Watch the next video, Buying a Home After Divorce in Omaha, step-by-step guide for women starting over, so you can see how this stage fits into the full home buying process. And continue on in this series so you can move forward with clarity, confidence, and peace. Now that you understand what can happen after your offer is accepted, the next step is to see how this fits into the full home buying process. Watch the next video, Buying a Home After Divorce in Omaha, step-by-step guide for women starting over, and continue in this series as you move forward wisely, making decisions for the next season of your life.